Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today I have a Jabra Evolve 75. We're going to take a look at it and see how well it works now that everybody's working from home, doing their studies, their team chats, their Zoom classes. This is perfect for you guys out there. So we're going to take a look at it, see what you get when you purchase something like this. All right, so you get two manuals. Very important to go over the manual in case you're not familiar how to set up the Bluetooth or the USB. So you have two different options. I'm going to show you guys how to set it up here. First of all, go over your menu, make sure that you have it properly set up and then know how to charge it, because you definitely need to charge the system. Out of the box is not charged. You got to make sure it's fully charged. So if you're it's gonna last you a couple hours, of course. And if you can see, they give you a nice little case in here, a nice little enclosure in here. Let's put the box on the side. We'll open the enclosure. Of course, we just took out the charger so we could keep it charged, but this is pretty much what you get. Your little side pocket here, so you put all your extra features in here. On the center, if you guys see, this is the actual headset itself. Really light, really nice little soft cushion play area here, right here. It's a pleather right here, but it's really soft, really simple to use. It is expandable, if you can see it. Now this one, there is no clipping sounds or anything like that. It just opens up slides. Very simple. No noisy, nothing clipping or locking in. Now, on the center, if you guys can see, this is the actual USB that you're going to require to connect to your computer, but not necessary. You can actually connect this through a Bluetooth. This is an easy option that people attempt to use all the time. This will be automatically identified as a plug-and-play feature, compatible with Mac, Microsoft, Windows, of course. So now here, let's go over the volume. This is the 2 dots. It's for higher volume. 1 dot is actually for lower your volume. So if you're going by feel, you could feel the 2 dots in here. You're gonna know this is to increase the audio and this is to decrease the audio. And of course, your microphone. If you guys can see the microphone, it has a little stainless top on the microphone itself. The internal is all plastic in here. If you can see it. Little tiny internal mic. So the mic does mute when you actually move it to the top. It completely mutes it. So, but this is very, very, very smooth transition. If you guys can see it, very simple. I like this. The cushion is it's gonna fit everybody's ear pretty much, but it's a little smaller than usual. All right, this one right here, this button right here on the left-hand side is to answer the calls. When you click on it, you can answer the calls. On the other one's listen in if you want your music pause or change the next one.
Listen in is to hear your surroundings.
Oh, okay.
That's what it is.
So because it has noise cancellation on this one right here itself, on the one on the left is actually to answer calls. The one on the right is because you have noise cancellation, you want to hear your surroundings, you hit this button, it'll automatically enable all noise cancellation. So the ANC is what you have to turn on and off, and that's the noise cancellation feature that is located right underneath here, if you guys can see it. So that's a great feature to if you want to mute or block your noise surrounding. All right, so if you guys want to know, it's a 14-hour battery life on it. It takes about 3 hours to charge, an hour and a half, depends on the usage. So it lasts you a while. And of course, let's go over some of the features here. Right now, if you can see it, it's off completely. The center will be on, and then on the top will be the Bluetooth. So that's pretty much how it works on the side. All right, guys, so we're gonna take a look at the actual headset. And if you can see on the headset, there's not really good indication which is left or right on the headset itself. So that's one thing I didn't like about it. It would automatically tell you left or right. Here we are, we're gonna put it on. And if you can see, noise cancellation is pretty much covering from the actual ear itself, but it doesn't completely cover the whole entire ear. So if for somebody with big ears like me, yeah, I might need some better cushions. And unfortunately, I don't know if they sell any replacement, because they don't look like they could be replaceable. So pretty much small little device. The head top, the cushion is really soft. Really, this is a different material here. It's more like a rubber end, and this is the pleather part, and this is more like memory foam. That's how it feels, like memory foam on this part. So very simple. You guys like it? So we're gonna do a test on the microphone, see how well it sounds, and we'll come back.
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. So we are recording on Jabra, and to be honest with you, there is some feedback back on the system itself. And of course, when you turn it on, it gives you an indication of how much hours you have available. So a great indication of how much time you're going to need to charge it too. So right now we are recording, and I know my line not very good, but we're recording on the system itself. And now we're going to do another test. So the other test I like to do all the time is I like to play a music in the background or a video in case it's a good noise cancellation. So we're going to do that. And the way I play a video. Okay, we're going to put ANC on, so its noise cancellation is completely on. And we're going to go ahead and do the video that I have. And I'm going to raise the volume all the way up. And we're going to go ahead and play some audio. And it's going to a red mark on my actual recording, so we're going to turn it down right now. And the ANC completely, and as you can see, so you can still see some movement on the actual system itself. So it's working pretty good. Okay, now because I hit the button, it kind of muted out everything too. So it's a mute button too here. Test 1, 2, 3. Okay, no, how about this one? By hitting this button here on the actual left-hand side, it mutes the whole system. 1, 2, 3. So it kind of muted the whole system itself. So hopefully you guys hear it. And if you guys like this kind of stuff, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.